Harmony dam kachu. This part here I grow lotus flower. Start to grow already. Wait for a couple more months it will have flower. The khai tiếp min kachu. Yep, that's my projects. ខាងមុខធ្វើហើយនៅខាងក្រោយ This ostrich fern that I got from the woods is very invasive. See the root? It's spread. Đám ostrich fern នេះខ្ញុំដកពីព្រៃឥឡូវនេះវាបែកគុំបែកឫសពេញមកនឹងដូចព្រៃអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដកចេញណាវាច្រើនពេក it's too much. I'm taking out of some of my area. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដកវាចេញហើយដាំដើម hosta វិញ so now I'm try to get rid of it, pull it out and put hosta instead. It doesn't look very neat. It look like jungle ដូចព្រៃអញ្ចឹង so I'm taking my ostrich fern out of this area, replace with hosta. So it look much better now that I pull out all of the ostrich fern. មើលទៅគ្រាន់បើបន្តិចដកដើម ostrich fern ចេញទៅស្រឡះបន្តិច Now this side of the house is done. នៅខាងនេះរួចហើយ for now. See all those ostrich fern. This is the left side of the house. ឃើញដើម ostrich fern ហ្នឹងឯងដុះច្រើនអានេះខាងឆ្វេងដៃផ្ទះ This is my persimmon tree. It had lots of flower. See, that's the flower right there. Wait and see if it produce fruit. ចាំមើលពេលមានផ្លែឬក៏អត់ Here's another one. នេះដើមមួយទៀត This one doesn't have a lot of flower. Also miền sky down mùi này. It broke off. It got broke off. But we'll see. Persimmon tree down the lot. Asian pear. Anh ấy ply seri Khmerយើងអាស៊ីមានក្តាប់ច្រើនណាចាំមើលវាកាន់មិនកាន់ had a lot of fruits but I see some of them are dying off but that's okay វាមិនអីទេបានញ៉ាំក៏មិនអីមិនបានក៏មិនអីដែរ This is my strawberry beds. They had 2 different kinds. នេះគឺកន្លែងដាំផ្លែ strawberry មាន2យ៉ាង one is pink អាមួយនេះពណ៌ផ្កាឈូក the other one is red color ម្យ៉ាងទៀតពណ៌ក្រហម and I put it together ខ្ញុំដាំទាំងពីរលាយចូលគ្នាវាមិនអីទេ and it's produced a lot of berry this year ឆ្នាំនេះផ្លែច្រើនណាស់ It's not ripe yet អត់ទាន់ទុំទេឃើញផ្លែច្រើនណាស់ See a lot of berry That's my strawberry beds The strawberry is easy to grow ដើម strawberry នេះស្រួលដាំណាស់ណាវាបែកមែកទៀតបែកគុំរបស់ណាដែលដុះពេល snow ធ្លាក់ហើយវាបែកគុំហើយ Normally when it's perennial it's produce a lot of which plants is spread ឃើញផ្លែច្រើនណា See a lot of berries អានេះពណ៌ផ្កាឈូក This is my garlic plants នេះគឺដើមខ្ទឹមសខ្ញុំ We cut up the garlic scape យើងកាត់ដើមផ្កាវាឲ្យដើម្បីឲ្យមើមធំ You cut it up to get big bulbs you get more big bulbs on the bottom here Yeah យើងកាត់អានឹងចេញឥឡូវទៅដល់ខែ8ពេលយើងដកមានមើមធំ When it's time to harvest you're gonna get a lot of big bulbs of garlics instead of small and that's my garlic that I planted back in November It's very easy to grow ស្រួលដាំដើមខ្ទឹមសហ្នឹងណាSome more garlics, ខ្ទឹមស updates. We had some rain a few days ago. មានភ្លៀងបន្លែលាស់បន្តិចបន្តិច Got some little chive, ដើមកញ្ឆាយ cilantro, little baby chive. This is Chinese broccoli. អានេះដើមខាត់ណា Green bean សណ្តែកគួរ ត្រសក់ cucumber នោះមានក្តាប់ឯណោះ ម Khmer, bitter melon, pepper, mate. This is Thai melon. នេះគឺដើមត្រសក់ស្រូវ that we're going to transplant over here. យើងដកដើមត្រសក់ស្រូវមកដាំកន្លែងហ្នឹង នេះគឺជាដើមឃ្លោក Chinese gourd. This fern here that I transplant from the woods to my backyard garden. I'm just gonna leave it here. Ostrich fern នេះខ្ញុំដកពីព្រៃយកមកដាំនៅក្រោយផ្ទះខ្ញុំណាខ្ញុំអត់ដកឲ្យទុកឲ្យវាដុះនៅហ្នឹងហើយបែកគុំច្រើនណា before មុននឹងលើកអត់ We pull these from the front យើងដកពីមុខយកមកដាក់នឹងក្រោយផ្ទះហើយយើងដាំបន្លែនៅនេះម៉ាក់ក៏ដាំពោត My mom she plant corn right there pepper corn pepper we'll see ចាំមើលដើមធំ